What's up, fellow realtors and tech junkies? This is the audio from the native microphone on my iPhone 15 Pro. And you probably hear this annoying humming coming from the portable AC unit behind me. And this is what this audio sounds like. And we are going to test the difference between the native microphone of my i15 Pro and the Hollyland Lark M2. Let's check it out. We're gonna switch over to that audio right now. All right, so now we have the audio from the Hollyland Lark M2. This is the white version. It's an awesome little button style microphone. This is the Hollyland Mark II microphone without noise canceling. It should sound considerably better than the native microphone of the iPhone 15 Pro. And I will switch over to noise canceling because you can probably still hear the hum of the portable air conditioning unit behind me. But let's go ahead and hit this yellow button. And when I hit this, we should see the blue button go green to let us know that noise canceling is on. There we go. And now we should have awesome audio from the Hollyland Lark M2 without the hum of the portable air conditioning unit behind me. So how does this audio sound? And can you hear it? Or can you not hear it? Let me know in the comments below. Do you hear that portable air conditioning unit? Again, this is the Hollyland Lark M2. Got the full kit right here. And I got the USB-C connector in the bottom of my iPhone 15 Pro. I do have a USB extender on there, a USB extension, because I have a fairly thick case on my phone to protect it. And the adapter itself, this is the lightning version, but the adapter itself is not long enough to make the connection around the case. So I have one of those extenders on there. I'll link to everything in the description. Let me know what you think about it. See you next time.